quit 2 months ago, man. He's just trying to get high. Well, who got the liquor?
You made it. Thank you. Girl, you made it.
Oh, no. What's good, guys? What's good, guys?
Wait, is this the way to the pool?
It's cold as fuck.
Oh my gosh, we've been waiting to go. I can't
That's
just run.
cap, because I've been out here every 15 minutes.
Okay, can I just run?
No.
Huh?
PD, where that going?
Love y'all.
Yeah, swipe your card. Where your card at?
In my pocket.
Can I sit right here?
Hi, dadas.
Yeah, he want to do a bigger room, so we gotta wait for people that might not even come.
If I can at least get 5 to 6, I'll take y'all. I'm not taking just a group of 3.
It's not just a group. Come on, y'all.
But it's just me. So
Just in case you have like the
talking about by themselves, the job wasn't done on my end, right? Y'all all going to the pool? Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
You did? Yeah. On Instagram? I don't know.
But I haven't been on Instagram this whole week. That
Come on, stream.
Yeah!
Stall me out 1 second. Stall me out 1 second.
Today ends well.
What you said?
It's like, nah, but whenever.
Come on, nigga. All right.
Yes!
So you gotta walk with me? I wanna say Booga though, that's my black brother on God. Boogie.
Yeah! That's the word! Yo, one nigga! What we had TikTok!
Is my whole ass out? You sure?
I'm gonna go up here and turn around.
I'm on my way over there, bud.
You about taking a picture though?
I can't right now. Oh, Cuddy. Oh, Cuddy. Oh, Cuddy.
Yeah, nigga, you going crazy.
I just had that sweatsuit on. I just had that sweatsuit on. S.U. Oh, I'm glad I put everybody for S.U. Wow. Chat. What's the word, man? We outside.
Outside, nigga.
We on our way to where we going, to the pool party.
Shit.
For that.
Talk about some fresh from the mouth. Change the title to
Like we ain't shit. We ain't see that shit. See that? What?
You made it. That walk crazy. Yeah, my walk. Cause I'm bow legged.
I'm not for it. Thank you.
Thank you.
You got your ID?
Yeah.
Cuddy bonus.
Cuddy brown like that.
I want him. Bro.
Oh, they playing basketball?
What? What are y'all talking about? Wait. Oh, somebody fell in the pool with their clothes on. Sorry.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, I did not see that. Oh. Chill, yeah, chill. Bread and butter. Slamming you out, slamming you out. Oh shit, this is it. Look. Damn. They make it like a hot tub, y'all. What the fuck? That's a whirlpool? Right? Y'all gotta have a dance battle and or do a chicken fight. What the fuck is he talking about, girl? Oh, bitch. Oh, I've been live this whole time. I just was barely live today. Listen, I take the sweater off. It was cold though. Slimy, you are slimy. I got the worst camera. That's fucked up. Look at everybody. This is so scary. This is so scary, bro. more like my sweater. I look thick. OJ went live on. I know.
Better in class? Hey, listen, I'm gonna look a little bump while doing this, but don't get it. I'm not going there.
It's mad heads.
Oh.
You gotta take an empty curve. Come on.
We're gonna go over there.
We can go straight back.
Slamming you out, slamming you out.
That's just it.
Yeah, he was just listening to that shit.
Yeah, look, we going to one of these.
I need 3 more shots and I'm gonna get bite. He don't give a fuck.
I can 1v1 around this now.
I had him in my class. He was shooting shit.
Survey's be fucking up over there. That's why I asked. I wasn't to ask you if we ain't need it.
Did you need it?
I was already filming. That's right.
Oh, yeah, you got your shit set up. Okay, okay.
Rent two.
I want cooker. No excuses. It's cool.
Can y'all see me?
If anything,
Oh, I left my sweater. I'll be right back. I left my sweater in there.
just let me know how it is.
Am I giving tea?
Watch out.
Let me take a shot. Can I take a shot?
My TikTok said, hey.
Chat, there was no service in there at all.
Me? Huh? I'm about to go in the pool. Buddy, you need a shot? What you need? I'll get it to you. Oh my God. They about to play basketball. But I'm about to go get my sweater.
Everybody that's in
You
there,
good?
they shit working.
It's beef? Is it beef?
Now it works now. Chat, yeah, we couldn't do it. There was no service in there. Drop the whole shit. Everybody's shit was fucking up in there. Some niggas was
Good, Muddy. Let me say
a
that
lot of people's
stream.
shit was fucking up.
Let's
You
get
feel me?
buddy.
Chat, we back.
What you say 911 for?
911?
Chat, we're back though.
Oh no, the quality.
Chat.
Oh, my quality is bad. They
Ma,
can say
can you
my quality is
please
bad. My
change the
connection
title?
is bad. My shit just
Right,
ass.
chat, this shit was
There's nothing I
fucking
can
up
do.
back there.
That's all I got.
This shit green though.
There's no service in there.
Am I brown
You ain't
skin or
there?
dark skin?
There's no service. Well, it might work for certain people. Certain people that work for my own shit.
You like a deep brown skin.
It's not such thing.
Like you like deep brown skin. You're not dark skin though. Dark skin is a little darker.
From that way. That's why everybody is. No service.
Really here? It varies. Wait, how?
Certain niggas.
Yeah, I fuck with it. I fuck with this shit. This is my shit. My natural shit.
Yeah, chat.
I'll be right back though. I left my sweater in the pool.
Don't leave me for too long.
Nope. That's damn. I want to say something. I can't say it. No. Okay. What's up, fine shit? Why y'all in the cut with y'all fine ass? My fault. Good, buddy. Y'all. I'm trying to chill, bro. I'm trying to chill. They try to clip me. I know you bored as fuck. Nobody's fucking safe. Fuck.
Nobody's even over.
Nobody's even going in that shit. At least you getting paid. Bro, I'm about to go back, y'all. I just forgot my sweater and they got like low-key all my shit in there. I'm not gonna lie, the shot got me feeling nice. Slumming you out, damn.
You
Slumming you out,
You slumming me
slumming you
out.
out.
What the fuck type
damn.
outfit is this? Damn, you just said it 3 times.
Nigga, this some calm shit. Shirt, shorts, and shoes.
That
Nigga.
shit is ass.
Okay, nigga, what is
I
you
got my
got
shit
on?
underneath.
Okay, nigga, take it off then. Fuck you talking about.
Why you ain't got no flip flops or something on?
Cause I wasn't trying to get in. All right, nigga, you don't gotta do
Yeah,
all
show
that
her
shit,
fit.
nigga.
Show that shit again?
Nigga, you don't pick the fucking camera up, nigga.
What Adidas is
Nigga,
those?
pick the camera up. Nigga, pick the camera up.
my camera
No,
up.
because I don't know fuck. Nigga, pick that camera up.
Okay.
Cause stop. What is you doing? I don't.
You're not putting your feet in the water?
We did just put our feet in the water, but nothing's happening. We going to the basketball court.
Your shit done?
What you mean?
feet?
Yes.
What color?
It's pink.
Pink?
Yeah. I tried some different shit this
I
time.
like that.
I know white toes mean, you know what I mean, but I got a little neon pink.
Neon pink?
Yeah.
That look good with your skin
I
tone
just
though.
see- Yeah, you know what I mean. So how about
Shit. What you about to do now? Oh my.
like, what is this nigga
I'm
on?
just giving the.
Alright, my bad.
You act like we can't compliment.
Now you're right. My
Not
fellow
get
African. Wait, what are you? Are you black? I mean African. I'm sorry, I took 2 shots.
I'm just black. You took 2 shots.
Yeah.
You tipsy right now?
No, I'm just like
A little
saying
like-
anything.
No, I'm black.
Okay, period. Me too. I'm black
I'm
American.
pretty sure it shows.
Yeah, but you could be something else.
Why
Like
you say that?
Congolese and some shit. You know
Why
what
you
I
said
mean?
that?
Your lashes is long as fuck, buddy.
You like my lashes?
Yeah, buddy. You got them pretty bitch eyes, buddy.
So you like staring at my eyes?
Yo, what's
That's
happening?
That's a compliment.
Yeah. I'm like, you know the eyes is the
Yeah, we
shit
have
to the
like good
soul.
contact. Yeah, eye contact.
I look at eyes all the time.
Yeah, we're not breaking. I like that. That's it. All right, Dickney.
My fit is ass, child.
No, it's good.
Stop putting that fucking phone in my face, bro. What's wrong with you?
Good. Hold on, don't press my man. He good.
What's wrong with you?
He just getting the angles.
No, nigga, you don't. What?
All right, I'm gonna talk to you later.
Alright, bro.
Take another shot.
I'm scared to ask.
You gotta what? Go ahead, take another shot.
Get it for me.
Ask him for it.
That's your man.
cool.
DDG. Don't say for me. Cause it's like I feel like it's like dick riding. Like I'm dick riding. You know what I mean? Don't make me look like a dick rider.
I got you. Take it easy. Say the other word after please.
Why you keep moving the
No, wait. 1 second. Please what?
Why is you doing that? Yo, this nigga is so messy. It's annoying.
Go ahead and get your shoes. If you done. I might grab it.